Let me tell you why you need these shoes on your wardrobe. This is Jane and Reviews, and this was a free sample provided by DADAWEN. So these are the shoes. Mine are color white and black, and they are made of leather, which I love. This is rubber, so if you stand on water or if you need to be on your feet a lot, they are super comfortable. They're also very breathable because you don't need to wear them with socks, and also they have this stylish design that you can wear with jeans, shorts, skirts, and dresses. This is how you put them on and off, so you can move here the zipper around, and then all you have to do is bring this part over the zipper, and it hugs your feet right in place, and I feel so comfortable that I can walk and don't sacrifice style for comfort. So I hope you check them out. They have so many colors. They're so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you for watching my video.